First, let's take a look at these photos. Please take 10 seconds to see how you feel about them in your mind and how you would describe these items. Do you have these feelings in your head? Gorgeous, professional, textured, and even art-like. Now, let's look into the real appearance of these items. So now do you feel disappointed, angry, unbelievable, or even cheated? These are the actual situations you may face every time when shopping online. In this video, Blue Lake Shot will analyze in 3 aspects to see if it's feasible to use cell phone to take photos of the goods. Let's take a look. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on your little bell to get more information on the latest mobile photography for free. When shopping online, customers can only look at the photos to make a purchase decision, which is actually very disturbing. As a customer, you definitely don't want to be cheated, and you have already spent time looking for goods, then expecting and waiting excitedly, only to find that once you open the package, it turns out to be the big disappointment. Although the goods are not so expensive, the psychological pain is the last thing you want to experience. As a seller, their pretty photos can increase the click rate and may further contribute to the customer's desire to place an order. It doesn't mean you should use overly embellished photos to induce buyers to do so. On the surface, you earn an order, but you actually lose trust and can only handle one-time business forever. The photos displayed at the beginning are taken with a professional camera. The sophistications of the professional camera can easily capture the delicate details of the goods, while expensive lighting can fully express the structure of the goods, so that the photos are beautiful and can even be regarded as an artistic creations. But can such exquisite photos can really bring you a steady stream of customers? Why not compare professional cameras with smartphones? On one hand, smartphones, which everyone has in life, are not as good as professional cameras in terms of hardware specifications and picture quality. On the other hand, when buyers see such photos, will they feel closer to life? In this way, is it possible to significantly reduce the possibility of returns? In addition, sellers want to get the most bang for their buck. Unavoidably, if they want to hit the shelf, they may spend $700 on a DSLR, $300 on a lens, and then $250 on the professional moonlight in order to take photos of the product. Your store may not only sell one product, right? If each photo is taken with such precision, how much time would you spend before selling your product? Just like a beginner who just learned to ride a bike, you will not buy a professional racing bike immediately. Instead, you will first practice with an ordinary bike, or even you just want to walk to work. Since there's a long way to go from the MRT station to the office, you may choose shared bikes rather than a professional racing bike. Which one is more suitable for beginners? Likewise, as a novice photographer, if your products are used in social media or online shopping platforms, photos of products taken by cell phones will have a greater sense of closeness and will invariably build buyers' trust in their product. After all, not everyone is going to participate in photography exhibition or to accumulate a photography portfolio. The most important thing is to make your product sell well and to reduce the possibility of returns. Of course, if you're going to participate in photography exhibitions or a photography portfolio, then using professional cameras will be more in line with the needs. Finally, when it comes to the choice of photographic equipment, there is nothing good or bad, nor right or wrong. Everything depends on your needs. Phone photography at home. Have you learned it? If there's any questions about taking pictures or arranging props, please leave us a message and we will make it into a tutorial video to reply. It's not hard to take pictures, just try it.